comes the day.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy and ich mache live videos, mostly of Yiddish. If we fact in the antige video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. It helps me in the channel tremendously, so thank you for that. And ook het, dat je wilt dat zelf in the channel. By supporting the channel, one of the ways is becoming a member by hitting the join button. Het gaat al lang riesige week. En als je wilt, dan kan je een super chat. Of a quick page to viggyvibes@gmail. Ze helpt dat ons de channel. Is it the oil? Is it the machine? You know what I'm saying? So, can. Right. Ook het, van me gaat anyway daarvoor zoeken. So absolutely. Positively. 100%ly. Not financial advice. So please be very careful. De market te wegnemen alles wat die host. Nicht kan gelijk, wie ze die heist. Willen die bisschen ruhig oder a bisschen beiß. So, be careful. Kijk eens wie een kind oder een adult speelt met Lego. En een lawyer der maar was weiß nicht was tut. So, please. Let's go. Let's get into it. En als zeg mal, van einem wem ich weiß nicht afvillen. En sucht mir good morning. You know, ich hear those down videos, and I like it. And I'm like, do you watch this? And he's like, yeah. So, welcome to everybody that I don't know who's watching. Let's get into it. Shimmy. Hello and welcome, good morning. How you feeling? What's going on? Ein Screen op mir aufgeht arbeiten. Mein schön Zeit zu kaufen als eine Maschine. Ich habe eine Maschine auf Amazon. Hold on. Oh, so voll nicht angeplagt. Und ich wollte aus. No, arbeiten. Lass mal sehen, wie Gold hält. How are you, Shimmy? Two Sparks. What's going on with you? Wie bist du auf der Welt? Gold, 4,225. So will etwas nicht brechen, der 4,300. Echt noch eine geschickte Video finden, als einer hat daran gekauft in Berkshire Hathaway. Wenn sie gewinnt $2,000 a share. Er hat gekauft bei $1.2 million worth of shares. In Boomski hat es wert $500 million. What a life. Life's good, BH. Sam Lebo. Guten Sie. Morgen. Wham bam. Sam bam wham. I think that I'm doing you don't mind hitting the like button. It goes such a long way. The bias for hand is noch kein clearer bias. Sie gegangen beide Wegen. Sie gegangen at first a bisschen auf, I would say, like 1 und dann zurück herab. So es ist even. Man darf sein careful. Darf man auch auslernen als man darf nicht treten. Man darf sein ready zu treten, aber man darf nicht treten. Ich habe noch die Sache, ich muss treten. You know? Wie halt Bitcoin? 92,000. Okay, I struggled to him to 91, 92. Ich will noch herausnehmen Geld für Menschen. Tesla, 446. 448. Sie geben 451 overnight. Gee. Der High, ich gebe 488. 480, 490. Dann dagegen. Yankee T. Good morning. How you doing? How you feeling? What's going on, Yankee T? I have bullish bias. Das wissen Sam. So hat mir gegeben bald ein Jahr halb als bullish oder a bull market oder a wie heißt das andere? A bearish market. Hab nicht geklickt. Das sagt man klickt nicht bei mir Sachen. So bis einer das Maß gewesen, als ein Bär rast darauf und ein Bull pusht darauf. Die hast bullish biases? Okay. We'll see what happens. We'll see if my biases change. Bis derweil ist es noch in der Range. In the undecisive range. But again, it's not absolutely positively. It's not financial advice. Okay. So, please be very careful, Luke. You know what I mean? You were right? No. No. Ich habe es nicht gewollt darauf bringen. Because honestly, you know, es gesucht. Und nein. Nächten ist es gewesen, die hat gesucht, dass sie geht darauf. Ist sie gegangen all the way darauf. Und noch dem zurück darauf. Den ganzen Tag. But this is okay, Sam. This is not gonna hold it against you. You know what I'm saying? 10:50, 8:51. The market did go up. Yeah, no, koid not up, you know. Koid is gegangen nach up. Gehat at Schub. Gegessen dem Soup. Dem Zip. Gegessen dem Soup. Dem Soup. Dem Super.
I try to speak, but lost my heart. Every word fades before it leaves. If I call you through the noise, reach for you a shot of oil.
Two Sparks fragt sie, still doing the DAF or gave up? No, I didn't give up or give in. Sie gewähnt, einer hat es gewollt, ich soll es stehen. In jener hat gezahlt, but noch dem jener hat nicht kein Geld. So, I don't mind doing it if money comes in. If money doesn't come in, I'm not doing it. Like, I don't have a desire to do it. You know, I don't have a... Ich stehe nicht auf in der Friede, ich will in the DAF. But if somebody wanted to pay, meaning for my time, and wenn einer zahlt mir für die Schuhe, bekommt jener der Recht, wo sich soll in jener Schuhe, right? Jener gewollt, ich soll wasen der DAF, aber gewissen der DAF. The down was an opportunity to buy. Yeah, but sie gewinnt, sie will darauf. Sie will darauf. Es wollte jeder mal rausgenommen, noch dem Arauf, hat das die ganze Zeit rausgenommen. Arauf. If you had a bullish, but yeah, but wenn was du gekauft? Man weiß doch keinem nicht, wie der low ist. Let's be real, man weiß doch nicht, wie der low ist. Ich weiß, aber kickt zurück, und sagen, ach, weil du wen gedacht. Ja. Wenn ich weiß, dann du darf, man. Kauf einfach Bitcoin in 2010, 11. So, ich habe die Maschine, die ich darf kaufen, ich will kaufen. Sie ist $279. Es ist eine Maschine, die geht heraus HDMI Power. Weil mein Computer kann ich herausgeben mehr wie ein HDMI gehörig. So, und das ist $279. It's a vielleicht arbeiten, I made it work. But, nicht hat sich es gegeben, alle Shows. I don't know what it's about. Geht nicht. Guten Sie Morgen, how you doing, how you feeling? Hello and welcome to Viggy Vibes. Gang. The gang welcomes you. Good morning. How you feeling, how you doing? So, was kann man tun? There's 4K 80Hz display dock with a 120 volt W power supply. Und das wollte herausgerickt, man, Computers, HDMI Capabilities. Weil ein Laptop kommt nur mit ein HDMI, wo sich nicht jetzt hier noch ein Screen. Und ich habe genutzt, als hold on. Ja, mir das sagen, du? Hold on. Das ist, du hast eine Maschine. Hyper. Aber das geht nicht genug Power. Sie pflegt geben, also ich darf da drehen, das Screen und whatever, aber schau, was kann man tun? You're doing great. That's nice to hear, bro. Some lieb this to hear.
Hey, little darling, they don't see us, they just talking. We move like whispers through the quiet night, but your eyes still close. We just fly, fly, fly away, fly, fly through the haze, fly, fly, chasing time. We just
Nice, gang. I'm glad to hear that Alice is. You're doing great.
in a silent cloud. Oh, you and I like shadows. How I long to hold you close. But we just fly, fly, fly away. Fly. Don't look back. Know it feels like. Know it feels like.
La 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 la.
Oh, you and I like shadows. How I
Oh, en ik dacht ook het e-cam.
But we just fly, fly, fly away, fly. Don't look back, no it feels
E-cam, de
like.
program we zich niet einfach ook het jetzt bezahlen, so.
Waves of memory pull me back to you. Every city street whispers what
Ich gehe euch für den Like.
Nightfall calls your name softly in the dark.
Appreciate
Every
it.
fleeting light feels like where you are. Echoes of you. Every song I play. Moments linger. Never fade away. Moonlight in my room. Shadows on the wall. I still see your smile in every quiet call. Echoes of you. Every song I play. Moments linger. Never fade away. Holding on to dreams,
Nana
fading like a
sagen.
stream. Even miles apart, you remain inside.
By the way, als ik wil even schicken voor de unboxing for next week Monday, post jetzt the address. We bijna willen even schicken. Nein.
Every song I play,
Nana Zeiger.
moments linger, never fade away. Echoes of you.
So noch ich du kein Bias.
Echoes of you. Echoes of you. Echoes of you.
Wo sie gewähnt die Job Numbers hand?
Echoes of you.
Wo sie gewähnt die Job Numbers? Was sie kickt aus du 8:30 ist es herumgekommen. Und Nana Zeiger zurück heraufgefahren, derselbe Level. Derselbe Level.
I found your words in the drawer. Ink still wet, but you're not here anymore. Every line feels like a ghost, haunting me, the one I miss the most. Windows open to the city lights. I trace your name through endless nights. The air still smells like your perfume. Every shadow dances with the moon. And I keep reading what you wrote. Every secret, every note. Midnight letters on my floor. Stories of us I can't ignore. Every sentence pulls me back to you. Every word reminds me what I knew. I walk alone where we used to stay. Your laughter echoes won't fade away. The streets are
Oh, darf
empty,
machen,
but I see your face.
a thumbnail.
Corner of this quiet place. And I keep reading what you wrote.
Every secret, every note.
Midnight letters on my floor. Stories of us I can't ignore. Every sentence pulls me back to you. Every word reminds me what I
I do. Will nicht noch laufen. Will nicht noch laufen.
If I could send this to the past, would it reach you, would it last? Or are we just memories in the night? Lost
Ba-da-ba.
between wrong and right. Midnight letters on my floor. Stories of us I can't ignore. Every sentence pulls me back to you. Every word reminds me what I knew. I still keep
Ba-da-ba.
even when the night is over. I still keep your letters, hoping you'll come closer.
Love and live. Hello and welcome. Guten Sie Morgen. Fanny mit der Nummern. Ich habe ein Cover, was heißt Butch. In hat mich ausgelernt, am starke Konzept in life. Live and let live. So wenn ich sehe da Nummern, dann mache ich mich vernehmen. So you're reminding me of two peoples. You and him. In auch the valuable lesson. Nicht, dass ich kann followen der Lesson als ich geht. But it's a work in progress. Work in progress. How are you? Wieso ist dann so free? Schon gar dann Kaffee? Dibby-dibby-dibby-doo.
Pull me closer, but I can't go higher or I fade away.
ChatGPT geworden sach besser. Ich bete es für a thumbnail and boom. BH. Somebody BH. I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay. Important in life, and let live. Always love. Alright. Yeah. Immer klar geworden, also wie, I don't know, ich weiß nicht. Negative. But live and let live is a starke. Love is schon a required, so wie a next level requirement, I feel like. Ich go for the like. Whoever I liked.
Pull me closer, but I can't go higher or I fade away. Just to hear you stay.
So that's what I feel like. Like love can sein schon also wie a requested Sache, was ich darf zielegen. But live and let live is simple.
I'll chase the night till it breaks. Even if my heart aches.
Ich go for the like. Und ich habe was geliked. Thank you so much.
And I fade away just to hear
Sehen wir der Herzlich herankommen. We are seeing the Herzlich. Thank you so much.
Pull me closer, but I can't go higher or I fade away. Just to hear you stay. Just to hear
Sam, as of now, the bias is a bull market. Bull, arof. Again, not financial advice, of course. So don't take me as my word. I'm just saying. DB.
stay with me. Let the world fade out. Your touch softens
When is Christmas? Ich habe verpasst du a sale von Ecam.
in the quiet
Ich weiß nicht, was ich kann nicht gejumpen drauf.
shadows light.
Ich meinte, ich bin Klieger.
Feel the calm inside your eyes. Tonight,
Keep me here where the noise can reach. Your voice is the only peace I need.
Verpasst du gehirige Gittermove vorauf, but
How the dark
wo's kann man tun? You can't win them all. Machul.
I'll find my light.
25th of December. So sie können sagen, fin jetzt bis 25th of December. Ehrlich nicht schnitzen Ecam. Warten bis du hast Sale. These plans, sie haben gehad du jetzt kostet es $40 a heute, sie haben gehad für $19 a heute.
the daylight sleep.
And I don't know why I didn't jump on it.
Your breath pulls me in so deep.
I should have jumped on it. Oh, thank you, Love and Live. Appreciate it. It's December 25th. Huh?
Tonight, even if the skies are falling, even if the future's calling, stay with me and don't let go. Tonight, you're all my heart can know.
Muss ich jetzt fühlen, wie ich verpasst habe Trade and Moishi Papa. Hello and welcome. Are you new here? Bist Naidu, right? Oh yeah, welcome. The 5th day of the 20th from December. Oh, Yankee, what are this? You can still buy. Sam, you could always buy. But I'm not gonna do it because ich will nicht nachlaufen. We're going to 26,000. It's a Choilias, but ich nehm nicht kann Trades Tamazoi. Also ich geist dann herantanzen in a Trade. Kann ich Tamazoi herantanzen. Ich will... Das dann... So darf sein Cheshboinedik. It has to be Cheshboinedik. But kick on a 15-minute green candle. What a powerful candle. Dem grünen Candle gegangen von 632 to 732. 100 points. En ich meine, dass ich something to say of 100-point moves in noch ein geites Ricardo. Salut! That reminds me, good morning, Sally. That reminds me that ich darf editen the weekly Parsha. Did you buy a tree already? Moishi, die weiß, dass ich riere mich nicht schon a tree. Jede Jahr. Chaneke candles or Hagunas? Ich mach definitely da Hagunas. It sounded funnier in my head. But yeah. Ich meine, es du mordige Tramas in der chassidische Welt, wenn man kauft ein Kind Lecht und nicht Oil. Es bei Mitzvah hoben, wie Yankee, es da bekommen Oil. Bis damals geist mit Lecht. You can use it for the Schwitzer. Andere Mine bei mir, but we will not point it out. What ticket are you watching? The one and only. The one and only. Was heißt welcher ticket? Oh, ich kann nicht sometimes nehmen. Love and live. You gotta explain. What's mein dus ticker? I'm not trying to be cute, even though I was born with it. But you know what I'm saying? Sag mal vergessen. I feel was meint a bull market in a bear market. So we nehmen Es hat mir genommen a Jura halb, bis hat geklickt und ich darf noch alles trachten, was jener gesagt.
I hear your voice in the quiet room.
Heute den ganzen Tag, Moshi Papi, bin ich in Keul. Okay? Ich bin den ganzen Tag in Keul.
It feels like yesterday, but somehow you just fade away.
Ich bin den ganzen Tag in Keul.
Holding on,
Some days trade ich in Keul.
is this the end of me and you?
Nee, ich bin noch in School in Traden. Das ist alles School Traden, so.
Don't leave me in
Oh, what's stuck? MNQ, the futures. I'm trading the futures. Ich kann nicht leave the present, so I'm going to the future. You know what I'm saying? Muss kann ich dir sagen, I was born with it. It runs in the Familie. I take it from my mother's side. You know?
lost in the spaces where you
CG. Hold on. CG. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Guten Sie Morgen. Guten Sie Morgen. Wir kennen sich bei die Bargen.
don't go now, don't leave me in the dark. Your heartbeat's still a fire in my heart. Fading lights, but I can't say goodbye. Stay a little longer, just one more night.
Oh, nice. Nice, CG. I'm glad you liked it. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Me too. Me too. Meaning like it was very Geschmack, if you know what I'm saying.
All the words we left unsaid keep replaying in my head.
It's not Guten Sie Morgen.
If I could
it's-
turn back time,
It's Gluten Morgen.
see
It's Guten Morgen. Morgen.
you only want
Morgen Freeman.
me. Don't go now.
Jeder einer sucht es anders. Es hat sich umgehört mit Seltzer Guy. The Seltzer Guy. Wie ist the Seltzer Guy? I don't know where Seltzer... The Seltzer dude is... I'm a stickler. What can I do? Some claim ich bin ein gesünden Stickler. Als ich seinen du in die Roman hitting the like button, so geht ein lange, riesige, amazing and awesome Weg. Jello. Julo. So so wie ein Calculator, rief ich ein Jukalator. Because even man wagt heran ergens wie alle Jews en wie viel Geld meist macht er? Aber das 25 Kassen, dann sag ich Yiddish. In man nimmt auf Sweden, Shabbos in Jonte von alle Sachen. Ja?
On the highway, city lights in
You definitely didn't around dance?
windows
Alright.
down on a Friday, chasing moments we can't hide. Slow beats, cool breeze, you're the calm inside of me. In the night drive,
Stargasm.
moving slow, hearts in
Rotagasm.
like we never let it go.
Rotafiesgasm. In England sucht man nach Fies. Fizzy. Fizzy is the gas, was sie nicht mehr in der Seltzer. In den Gas in der Car, die von der Petrol. Verstehst?
Soft rain on the windshield, but we kept riding through.
But so man geht einmal Seltzer Guy, pflegt daran checken, du dort, checkt nicht daran.
So real
But it's okay.
when I played it next to you.
It's coming and going.
Slow beats, cool breeze, you're the calm inside of me. In the night drive glow, we were moving slow, hearts in stereo, like we never let it go. In the night drive glow, you would know how the sun
Schmitrowski?
when the world
Is that some Russian? Is that some other Russian? You know, when it's cold outside, a good pudding is good. That's why Russia is very cold, so el presidente is Putina. Just to warm up the nation, you know. Yes, I made a Putina joke. What can you do? What can you do? You gotta live with it. So yeah, deze is de shopping cart was ik daf. Deze is de machine was ik daf van mijn screen. In eCam, need to get someone on the phone from eCam. Petrol schmetrol. I have a man. Nope. I'll pull back on that. Een acquaintance op mijn moeder zoekt in Jiden. In een Chassidische welt kan man alles wegmaken. Hog, schmog, feelings, schmielings, Mercedes. Maar lijkt sie schmetter, kan man alles wegmaken. Putin joke incoming. Waiting for the input. For the Putinina. Who wants to party to the sunrise? Do you wanna party till the sunrise? Wanna eat French fries? Gonna have a good cry? Gotta say goodbye? Jokes, smokes, yeah. She gave me das Eifer an. Schon getan etwas als Sache, von deiner Schumme. Was there anything done for deiner Schumme, Maki? That's how we establish things. This is how we rate things. So mainly bei Traden darf man sitzen auf der Hand. Man darf sitzen auf der Hand. Sally, are you pushing buttons in the elevator?
We dance on broken glass.
We dance on broken glass.
Promise forever, but it couldn't last. Every laugh now feels like a lie. I still remember the fire in your eyes.
Feeling between your thighs. Oh, we gotta keep a PG-13.
Every secret we swore to keep.
I
never showed. Now all that's left is smoke and cold. Ashes of us
Someone's gotta
scattered in the wind.
Someone's gotta do it. Someone's gotta. That's how it is. There's no choice. Listen up, boys. Let's make some noise. Wat is zich met Venezuela? Trump is gewesen een starke Venezuelan situation.
consumed. Ashes of us scattered in the wind. Ashes of us, where did it begin? I should have held on, I should have stayed. Now we're just shadows in yesterday.
תמיד בשמחה.
We lit, burn a little too bright.
Good morning.
Left us high,
How are you feeling?
left us torn
How you feeling?
through the end.
How you be?
Ashes of us.
U.S. brokered peace deal in Africa. A long-awaited agreement between the DR Congo and Rwanda is set to be signed in Washington today, aiming to end years of conflict fueled by Rwandan-backed M23 rebels. However, ground realities in BRC remained tense, with ongoing violence reported in Goman. Oh my God. Du in Amerika, sommer ist so easy. You got wars, nicht du gut nicht. Sie do Schwierigkeiten, but nothing close to what they're going through. A Russian Liskanard missile strike in Dnipro, Ukraine, killed at least 4 people and injured over 40, aimed to continue hostile in the region. Oh, man redt schon nicht geherig von der War. Man, oh man, dit sich dort na gescheußerach. Menschen starben dort nicht, wie sie sah, a butcher store. Damit wir gesucht BH. Sag mal die BH. BH is something we can work with. You know what I mean? At least we don't know where we stand. I'm joking. IDF strikes in Lebanon. Israel announces fresh airstrikes on Hezbollah's target in southern Lebanon, including a few named, following evacuation warning for residents. Wow, de makkers voor zij gappen. Oh, shit. Hold on. Stickle desk malfunction. A stickle desk malfunction. But we got it. We saved it. Dudu interessante Neues. Malaysian resumes MH370 search. Wow. Over a decade after the Boeing 777 vanished, Malaysia will restart the underwater hunt for Malaysian MH370 starting December 30th, focused on a new area in the Indian Ocean. Wow. What a mystery, ne? Man geht auf a flight, in der Flight kippt man Schuhe, geht nicht kann nirgends. Wer weiß, was ist alles geschehen dort? New Middle East. Yeah, what a beast. They have it in. Whatever they're doing, they're just killing. They're just bombing. Let's hope for the right intentions, you know? Brooklyn, SW. Good morning, Brooklyn. How you doing? It's a shame I'm a can't show Jane in Brooklyn. I think it's not good. We need to protest. How are you? Beep. Viggy, what would you if the toilet in the office is so disgusting because people don't wipe their mouth left behind? Well, if it's urgent, then you don't have a choice. If there is no choice, there is no choice, boys. You get what I'm saying? If there is no choice. Moshe Papa, are you trying to ask questions that are vulgar? Is that a game? Is that the way to go? Is to push boundaries? Is that what we're on today? The vulgar train? So let me know. Worth is in a show where everybody adds layers. Can be asked by people. Well, you guys have some issues. Blab in the heim, Demolts. Blab in the heim. Stay home. 79.89, you're disgusting. SW, that's what he's doing. He wants this reaction. You get what I'm saying? Er darf dem Kitzel in dem Cup. He'll get around. He'll get around. He'll get it. He'll get it. Alles geht's. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Good freaking Shabbos. Vayishlach. You as well, alles geht's. How you doing? How you doing? CG. Good morning, Penny G. Hello and welcome. I feel like we're in an uplifting topic. We're not in a major topic. Moshe Papa and Love and Live are pushing the boundaries today. You know? Marash Shiva, Shmel Kalaifer, eine von den Reasons, dass sie gemacht der Business, sein Shiva, ist, weil pflegt deal mit so-called schwache Bucheren. Aber mit Dafkenix hat nicht gearbeitet mit. You get what I'm saying? It's also ein neuer dort. Too much was an Dafkenix. Dafke willen sie das schreiben. And we're okay with that. Alles, who makes it good to buy chocolate on it? Take me
to a place I've never known, where the stars align and I'm not alone. Pieces of me scattered in the dark, but your light keeps mending every part. I'm searching for a haven when we feel broken, a quiet place where words remain unspoken. Feels like home, feels like home, feels like home, feels like home, feels like home. Give me the path you hide inside.
If you ever trust me, I'll walk by your side. I see a secret tucked away so deep. Let the
Moshe Papa, when are we gonna vibe together? We're vibing right now. Something nice to smoke. I don't smoke, but we're vibing right now with music. That's what we're doing right now. We are doing right now. That's what we are doing right now. Pinigi, I've never tried one. I've tried Dubai cheese. Blintzes from corner 13th Avenue. Drums.
Hold me close through the fading light. We'll build our world under the night. No fear, no rush, just you and me. A place where we can always be. I'm searching for a haven when we feel broken. A quiet place where words remain unspoken. Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home.
That sentence. Ooh, okay, deswegen the chord. That's good. That's good. Super Chat, membership. Oh, alles geht's. Alles geht so etwas. Man darf am aushören. I'm old time. I can't see myself spending it. There it is, $10. Just for a good cookie. Penny, everybody's like that. It's crazy the amount of money we spend with food. When are you visiting BP next? I don't know. Bin ich kein größer City Visitor, if you know what I'm saying. Man geht schon davenen. Nice.
Lost in the echoes of our past. Traces of laughter that couldn't last. Thought our hearts would never fade. Now all that's left are shadows we made. Oh, do you see what it means when I speak honestly? It will take some time for the pieces to align. It might take some time for our hearts to find the light. I know I promise.
Penny! Thank you so much, Penny. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
Ich bin ein bisschen busy mit der Screen and all of a sudden say ich bin nicht reingeschickt als Super Chat. Thank you. This is how the channel keeps growing. Just letting you guys know this is how the channel goes. But I appreciate it.
Oh, do you see what this means when I'm speaking honestly? It's gonna take a little wanna for us to find peace again.
Viggy, when are you next in BP? Ich mache schon gern für der vorige alles geht, wo es alles geht so gefragt. Ich bin nicht kein City Guy. Ich try nicht zu gehen zu der City. Bin nicht kein City Dude. You don't dance in the city. No, the only time I really go to the city is if I must, and for work. For Arbeit. Otherwise, ich habe gewohnt in the city for a while, ich habe gearbeitet in the city for a while, nicht von mir. Ich habe aufgegeben a job without really knowing wie ich gehe next, wegen herauszumuffen von der City. Ich habe noch Sachen, but nicht von mir, City. For a chill and a bite. Wie chillt man in the city? Darf ich treffen mal Platz, wie man chillt? You get what I'm saying? But sie kennen sein alles jetzt, as if there's something in the city, we could do something. $7-11 do bis $5.49. Wow. 150 points drop. Viggy, are you ready to start dating? Die weiß doch. Listen. Die weiß. Of course. Oh, am I ready? Let the dates roll in. Emphasis on the bites. Yeah, I don't want to eat. You said bite. Cookie corner? Dann watschen mit, was ich esse. We need a Robertson, Viggy. Good one, bro. I mean, in somewhat, I agree. In some universe, I agree. Ja, maar gaan we net. Be back in a second.
Start to shine, your eyes mirror the endless sky. Laughter echoes on the shoreline, every heartbeat says you're mine. Feels like forever. In the glowing sky meets the sea. Feels like forever, every breath, every beat. Hold me close as the night drifts in, every shadow, every wind. Time may fade, but this remains, you and I through endless days. Feels like forever. In the glow where the sky meets the sea. Feels like forever, every breath, every beat.
All right. We are back. We need a Robertson, Viggy. This is what kind of girl or boy are you looking for? Wen sucht man es? The perfect one. The perfect one. You know what I mean? Weil kann ich jetzt mal Papa, die bist da so nur wie so rief man das? Progressive. Also progressive. Was kashim? Sie kennen sein Boy, sie kennen sein Mädel. Wenn ich weiß, wenn ich aber so progressive crowd, zieh ich mich ein progressive flag shirt. Loft or glatt, à la carte. Alles gets whatever man nimmt und dann credit card voor ich ga hin. If you get what I'm saying. Need a wifey. Maybe Aunt Sally can be a shotgun. Ooh. En zo maar a wifey, a stijfie.
Then we lost our way somehow. And I swore I'd never fall again. Now, wishing you could see my heart.
De bias had zich gechanged, Sam. Wham, bam. Ze gangen sie a beer. We live in 2025. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we gotta be very open-minded. Not only ass-minded, open. We never knew. We never knew in the 1800s also not. Just, jetzt ist mehr public mit der Sachen. We got some good doers here. Yes, exactly. Alles geht's. You're catching on. Esther, unser getreuer Schwester. Hello and welcome. Good morning. If I wasn't old enough to be a mother, I would love to hang out with you. But I love the city and love the country more. Yes. But Esther, hello and welcome. Good morning. Esther, we could hang out. Esther, we could hang out. How come there is a shidduch crisis? Viggy is still available. That is the crisis, Benny. That is, you have touched on the crisis. De oilam draait sich über. Wo's kann sein, Viggy ist nicht occupied. Darf markieren einmal für Viggy's occupation. Don't know Penny, he's a gem.
He's a gem.
Wham, jam, bam. Brooklyn, I'm glad you say so. And hopefully the other half would also think so and believe so and know so. You know what I mean? Can't go from a jam to a jam. Wham bam. Sally is trying. Sally is doing all of her efforts. Sally's like sallying away for it. Sally's doing all her best. Weißt du, man sagt, als Farmer wird geboren, 40 Tage Farmer wird geboren, ich tue ein Baskol, und sagt, der ist beim Pläuni. I guess man so gehen wir ein paar Chadushim später, weißt du, ich mein? So. But it's all good. Hopefully you are feeling the true love here. Yeah, I sure am. It could be so scary that I won't even want to get some other love, you know what I'm saying? Finny, I don't want to get hooked, but I do feel the love, I do feel it. Oops. Want to give the air horn if you're looking for a blonde or a redhead. Okay, if you dig deep, Brooklyn, minus the hood, minus the cup, and welcome to the brain. So hopefully I get brain, if you know what I'm saying. I'm looking for a good brain and a good heart. Somebody that doesn't like to take advantage of others, but also tough to know when we name advantage. Preferably mit a guten bank account. Einer fragt mich, ich habe ein Problem zu sein, zu haben eine Sugar Mama, ja? Als sie so sagen, wie lange die Credit Card geht durch? We are good. Maybe we need to start caring for Viggy's debit card. That's daily 1K USD. Ich weiß, ich bin nicht, alles geht sich möglich, aber sie kann definitely helfen. What's with the redhead? I don't know what's with the redhead. It's Brooklyn's. Brooklyn. Redheads could be interesting, you know, or a chicken head. Oof, alles geht. Alles geht Saranke McClure. Or a chicken head. A good heart with a nice star. Yeah. Weil du likes the star, weiß ich nicht. Ich darf ausspellen das Wort. Ich bin ein terrible and hangman, so you don't. Mich hat man gehangen right away. Jetzt wat machen, aber World War II joke. Der ist mal gehangen, als so viele Menschen ist, weil sie haben nicht, you can't spell. Terrible joke. For my part, I'm trying. Penny, you did try. And you not only tried, you did this morning. I appreciate it. Das ist zu wissen. Jeder Superchat geht ein riesiger Weg. Maybe it's the Amish girl. Alles gut, du kennst die Amish girl? The Emmeskeit von ihr would be nice. The Emmeskeit, nicht innocent in der Weg, mehr in pureness. That would be, you know. You're looking for Yichus? I don't know. Well, Yichus is not looking for me. What's the Yichus mit Yichus? What's the Yichus with Yichus? In a good spender, should take care of all Viggy's money. You know, man soll sich gut verstehen. Wer ist the key? A gitte verständlich nicht.
Footsteps echo, heart skips beats.
Doesn't Emmeskeit it doesn't need to override. Die hast lieb die quality. Darf auch keiner leben mit dieser quality.
Nights we laugh, just you and me.
Man darf keiner leben mit dieser Emmeskeit.
Arms we feel alive. Under glowing lights we survive. Neon days, endless nights, chasing dreams under electric skies. We run, we fall, but we'll stay forever caught in these neon days. Laughter spills.
A lot of zeros. A lot of zeros with one small one, huh? At the beginning. Agunisht. Satmar Rebbitzon's Einikel is not a small thing. Satmar Rebbitzon's Einikel is full of bullshita. You get what I'm saying? Nicht, dass ich kenne einen personally dort, but I'm just saying. It's nicht the Yichus that I'm looking for. Even if it's 200 pounds. The male von over 200 pounds is dass du mehr Platz für die Yichus. You know, a größere Herz requires more real estate.
Neon days, endless nights, chasing dreams under electric skies. We run, we fall, but we'll stay forever caught in these neon days. Even when the lights go down, I'll find you where the music's loud. Every heartbeat, every glance, we're alive in this neon dance. Neon days, endless nights, chasing dreams under electric skies. We run, we fall, but we'll stay forever caught in these neon.
We get already so supportive of yourself, so the condition sitting in coil for 15 years. Of course. Sich cast. Sich for the best. Aber ich bin ein Gorilla, wollte ich gewollt pound in the chest. Was meint du Coil? Ich hab Coil de Viggy, so ich bin schon in Coil for years.
Through the waves, I feel your glow. Pull me closer, let the rhythm flow. Every heartbeat paints the sky with you beside me. I
Wenn du no pressure, things will happen in the right way anyways. Kann nicht pressure, man kann nicht pushen.
The sky will be alright. The night is gone. Hold on. Here comes the dawn. We'll be
Ba-ba-da-ba.
Here comes the dawn. We'll be alright. Here comes the dawn.
A good wife shouldn't require conditions. Strings attached. That's right, Penny.
Soft winds
Beide darfen wählen.
haze, golden lights dance in your gaze every moment. Brighter with you near. All my doubts disappear. We'll sail away, spirits high. Let the currents lift us to the sky. We'll be alright. The night is gone. Hold on. Here comes the dawn. We'll be alright. Here comes the dawn. We'll be alright. Here comes the dawn. Feel the tide, let it carry us home. Every shadow fades, we're not alone. With you, with you. The world feels new. Here comes the dawn.
Love you as is. Yes. I mean, that is the goal, but we are human by the end of the game. Maybe it's that every Thursday live calls in. Like a pre-Erev Shabbos. Was heißt, wer soll rankommen? Willst du rankommen? Alles gut. But the regular phone, for some reason, connect nicht zu man phone. Connect nicht du zu man Bluetooth du.
Underneath the silver sky, I see your face. I hear you say, every step we take feels slow through the streets where neon glows. Time stands still, the world's asleep. But in your eyes, secrets keep. Moonlight echoes in my mind. Every shadow, every sign. Through the night I feel you near. Whisper words I wanna hear. Every dream it leads to
If a woman is iffy about you, walk briskly away. That's right. Hold on. That's right, Esther. If you're iffy, I'm out of there. In general, people should have an option to call in. Alles geht sich. Das suchen, wo the issue is. Als gesehen früher, Menschen haben gemacht comments, certain type of comments. Na, wenn ich bin auf einem auf dem Telefon und einer macht da Sache meine comments, is a big difference, you know? So sie kennen auch Menschen, wem in a sense, so-called trust in the situation. You get what I'm saying?
Time stands still. The world's asleep.
So it's nicht Chamoira der etwas, it's not something I want to undertake right now.
The secret
Fluffy from Germeg is good. He's amazing, by the way. Ich kenne ihn von Yeshiva.
echoes in my mind.
We go back way back when.
Every shadow, every
I hope me and him are in good terms. Ich habe gekannt sein rough sometimes. We got a loose mole. But just so do publicly, I never meant ever to hurt him personally. Meaning, like, ich habe gehört.
shining through.
Members only? In the colon, yes, I would say so. You know, people that I know, they're not gonna just push the boundaries.
Our names, I'll chase them down through skies of flame. No distance, no dark can undo.
You know what I mean? I don't wanna.
I move for you. Moonlight echoes in my mind. Every shadow, every sign. Through the night, I feel you near. Whispered words I wanna hear. Every dream it leads to you. Every heartbeat shining through. Every heartbeat shining through.
I'm realizing more and more how real mental health challenges are. A lot of people carrying heavy stuff. Yes, we don't know. We don't know what somebody carries under the hood, as they say.
Every heartbeat
Yeah.
shining through.
Some just mask it better than the others.
Golden rays on the avenue, windows down, I'm riding with you. Coffee warm in your hand, we drift along this sunlit land. Laughter spills,
It's pretty heavy out there, Brooklyn.
country sway, it feels like ease. Every corner
That's why it's very hard to judge someone, you know.
lost in the calm, leaving stress behind.
Again, je dacht me gewoon losleren is je judging. And by the way, we make judging, but you're not allowed in the judging mind to do. You're not allowed to act on the judgment. Meaning, can't you act different to jenen, weil du hast gejudged a certain way. At least that's the try. That's the goal. Do we fail? Yes. Do I fail? Yes. 100% I fail. But my arbeit auf sich. Why it's worse now? Bin ich wohl gesagt also. Weil man weiß dann mehr wegen Feelings in den Sachen, ist du mehr an Awareness, ist du mehr von dem. 30 Jahre zurück, people didn't, first of all, less people, but nicht identified so many issues. And there's so many issues to identify. It was a different world. And you're alone. Way more, even though you have social media and du bist connected and du bist nicht. Versus Amul. Amul bist du gewesen in einer Platz, wo es gekannt Menschen, and that's really helped out human beings. But then, with the phone and the technology, it's just a killer.
The road unwind, no plans, just drifting in mind. Every moment, easy and free.
The reason it's secretive is because if you open up and you tell someone your challenges, they're going to treat you differently. And they will sich werden treated differently.
Drive, just you and me
And nobody knows where the boundaries are.
through the city.
Like, bis wie geht man dich treaten wie ein normaler Mensch? Und bis wie geht man sagen, oh, something is cool with you, you know what I'm saying?
In this light, we feel the vibe. Just for a day. Just for a day. Just for a day.
Do you have a kosher phone? Direct to me? Yes, I have a kosher phone. My phone is kosher. The user is not so kosher, but the phone is kosher. So there's an argument with guns. Guns are bad. No, guns are just guns. The people using them are good, and some people are bad. So the same thing here. The phone is good. It's just the user. The user has some challenges. The user has some difficulties. Fall ich dadurch? 100%. Does that define me? Hopefully not. Nope. Ich weiß, Menschen mit Kosher-Phone sind eine Sache ärger wie der ärgste Cover, was ich habe. Mit der Kosher-Phone. So, the phone is gut nicht. The phone is just a phone. Why don't you want to be treated differently the way people are treated now? They're also not happy. Sie do they falsche happy. They falsche... It looks like we're happy. So darf ich machen keinen Sense. It's just, they're in it already. They're in that game. They're in that situation. So if you're in that situation, that's what's going to happen. The other challenge we need to be treated differently. Why do we? Because it's all about survival. Jeder eine will surviven. Instead sich schon gut bei einem Menschen gesagt, geht machen, geht sich. Sie just wird herangebacken, einlegen, noch allein, noch behalten, noch eine Sache. Sie wird daran. So wie ein Fotoalbum. In Gedenken der alten Fotoalbums. In Film with Pictures. Und schon gut mit Film with Pictures. Man gehabt eine Kamera, man gemacht 5, 6 Pictures, man kauft ein Album, man hat angelegt, geen Leitung, man gehabt noch. Und nachdem ist es geworden ein grobe Album, und nachdem hat sich zerflickt ein paar Pages, noch liegt es bei Bobby, man nimmt es heraus einmal in 2 Jahren, und man kijkt es durch, und man sieht Tati in der High Chair. You get what I'm saying? Sie wächst. Und man versteht. That doesn't mean that's on a good track, but, you know, it's still happening. Politeness in the outside world rather by the issue where sometimes skilled. Did you see the sentence yesterday? Nein, wo sie gewähnt? Wo sie gewähnt, the sentence?
The tide rolls in.
Or a baby in short sleeves. People come to shul. Everyone has issues, yet in public everyone thinks it's perfect. Working very hard to make perfect impression. But man hat so developed, alles geht's. Sie geworden, man darf also acten, weil nicht jetzt auch mit Schiddich, mit dem, mit Jens, mit Issues. And, you get what I'm saying? Why do you feel bad for Berkowitz? What did he do? That's an Ellie? Oh, for a DUI. Geharget einem? He killed someone? Go behind doors in the house and check what's going on. You think people on the road are the most amazing welcome kind? What's Master Pro? Hello, Master Pro. How you doing?
Catch the wind, let it carry us far. Lose the hours, follow every star. Dive into the waves, forget who we are. Maybe we were made to wander under endless light. Somewhere we can stay. Where the moon kisses the sea and the night feels right, far beyond the day. Oh, there's a fire in us, it won't fade away. We've been running toward the edge of
You gotta do a frequency volume age test live on show. What does that mean?
with the sunset, let the ocean guide.
MS. Good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome.
Far beyond the horizon, there's a place we can belong. A spark inside us, shining strong. Let the waves take us home.
Don't know what that means, Mastermind.
We've been running toward
How are you, MS?
yesterday, racing with the sunset. Let the ocean guide us home. Guide us
Amazing as get. Basically, that's where. Oh, I see what you're saying. The test. Okay. Mastermind just putting it out there. We're looking for a great match of Viggy. Brooklyn is on a roll. Brooklyn is on a quest.
somewhere rare. Close your eyes, let go of time. Let the rhythm
We're looking for a color for Viggy.
midnight drift. We float,
I know what you mean. I know what you mean being the test. I got what you mean.
hearts collide. Let the colors show. Through the haze, find our way. In the night, we're here to stay. Echoes of laughter in the breeze, moments we catch like autumn leaves. Neon signs reflect in your eyes, lost in this glow beneath the skies. I close your eyes, let go of time.
Yankee, the yellow. You mean the yellow badge, Yankee?
Midnight drifts.
Brooklyn is a good mood today. Yes, Brooklyn is one of the best moods today. Who wants to know how to Don't leave us hanging like that, sadly. Oh. We're flexible on looks. But we're not flexible on money. Sent you an email. Good one, Brooklyn. Almost end the email, hold on. Oh, nice. Cool. Thank you, Yankee. You need to do a tutorial? All right. How to boil your eggs. Step 1. Get eggs. Step 2. Throw the eggs out the window. Step 3. Congratulate yourself. Boiling eggs is no jokes. My whole joking career went off that. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you also know that you don't know. It said a lot of 28, 35-year-old girls say they want a Heimish, learner, well-rounded, money, want it all. Yeah? That's why they're where they are. All alone, crying to their phone. When he boiled eggs, then he goes to peel the shells. They stick there, come easily. Charlie, what you do is when you finish, you take eggs, you put it into water, you put it on the stove, you put a timer for 18 minutes, then you put it in under cold water after 18 minutes, and like ice, and then it peels on the chaya.
Colors never die.
18 minutes, yeah. And it comes out perfect every time.
Lost in the rhythm, you're by my side.
18 minutes and it comes out perfectly.
Neon dreams, take me with you through the night.
You have a gray ring around the yolk? Not where I cook it.
Don't let me go.
Throw it out the window. Yeah, masterman, that's how it goes. That's the... If you want the perfect one, which is unacceptable.
It's unacceptable.
They always have the video back. Beep, 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 beep,
Fall
beep.
soft on empty lanes. Whispers echo calling names. Every step with you feels right. Dancing slowly through the night. Heartbeat racing, nights collide. Lost in the rhythm, you're by my side.
Woo!
Neon dreams, take me with you through the night. Everything feels new. Hold
Who knew this could be so hard? Well, the eggs knew it could be so hard. You know what I'm saying? Then it's Wasser atop on high, 18 minutes from the second you turn on the gas till it's done.
Even when the lights go out, I'll find your hand, there's no doubt. Through the shadows, through the streams, we'll keep chasing neon dreams. Neon dreams, take me with you through the night. Everything feels new. Hold me close, don't let me go. In this city, I found my home. I found my home.
Viggy, go take a nap. You're exhausted. No, I'm good.
Every step we take, the city fades. In the quiet, all my fears parade. Hold me here, don't let me go. In your shadow, I just float. Midnight drifts, we're lost in time. Chasing moments we can't rewind. Are we strangers? Or do we know? Every heartbeat tells me so. I keep searching in your eyes. Tell me, are we lost beneath these skies? Street lamps hum, our shadows blend. Silent story, never end.
You saw the clip von mir about podcast. Ein mal gewesen etwas, ja, aber ich weiß die ganze Sache.
Fleeting touch, impossible.
Who's here like a jammy egg?
Every step
Well,
we take,
I'm excited for the sandwich. Not gonna lie.
in the quiet,
No mastermind.
my fears parade.
From my look, or
Hold me here, don't let me go. In your shadow, I just float. Midnight drift, we're lost in time. Chasing moments we can't rewind. Are we strangers?
all right.
Or do we know? Every heart
And don't trading
so
for hand.
keep searching in your eyes. Tell me, are we
Bitcoin 92,000.
beneath these skies?
Okay. Whew. Done.
Lights flicker, hearts collide. No one's here.
Darf noch hand editen Mattes
Heavy whisper,
video.
heavy sigh. Frozen in the city night. Midnight drift, we're lost in time. Chasing moments we can't rewind. Are we strangers?
You prefer tuna fish? Mastermind, du wirst mir schicken the video, von wo die redest von.
Every heartbeat tells me so. I keep searching in your eyes. Tell me, are we lost beneath these skies?
Yankee, the dinner for tonight is a steakhouse. I see him, oh my gosh, we're starving already. Food. Nice. Nice, Yankee. That's nice. Oh my god.
Hey, little dreamer.
I'm fat fingered and then it's all down the drain.
Under city lights tonight. I wanna lose the world with your fire, yeah. Stay close till daylight. Hey, little secret.
Oh, we'll zijn takken. We're gonna do to practice account.
Move before they notice. Through quiet streets, like shadows passing. Hold me in the stillness. We just run through the night. Run, chasing stars, chasing time. We just fly, break every rule that they set. Hearts beating in silent tune. Oh, you and I, untouchable. How I long to keep you close, but we just run away, don't look back. Feels like we're unstoppable. We're unstoppable. Don't look back. They don't see us, we're just whispers. Moving through the dark.
Okay, I'm done.
Quietly.
Done.
but your gaze still shines.
Alright, ich will du watchen für Long Island Audit.
Trying to get a confrontation. No one's getting.
That's all I asked you was your name and badge number.
You're
I
not
can
in a
film.
public area right here.
This is a public area because
Hold
you
on.
didn't like it. You did.
Lass mal mithalten,
Guys,
du.
Long Island Audit here, back again with another installment of Throwback Thursday. Today's audit takes place at the New York State Police Training Academy in Albany, New York, where a trooper tries his very best to gaslight me into a confrontation. Stick around until the end for my updated thoughts. Let's get into it.
I'm assuming all of these people here are on a break and they're in the New York State Police Academy.
Time to see what's up.
Maybe we can give them a good lesson on public photography. How you guys doing? I'm doing well. Shining your boots. Good afternoon, guys. How you guys doing? Are you in the academy?
Sir, yes, sir.
Cool.
Sir, yes, sir.
How long you been in the academy for?
28 weeks, sir.
28 weeks?
Sir, yes, sir.
Very cool. Did they teach you guys about the First Amendment yet?
Sir, yes, sir.
There you go. This guy just yelled at everybody to get inside.
Jeder is auf dem
I was
Phone.
having a polite conversation with the cadets here, and this guy wanted to yell and tell them to get inside. Interesting.
Hey, sir. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right, man.
Are you a police officer?
What's up?
Are you a police officer?
I work here.
Oh, you work here?
Yeah, what? What's up?
Okay. No, I was just wondering.
Did you need anything?
No. I was just wondering. I was having a conversation with them and told them to get inside. I just want to let you know I'm not trying to.
Try to work.
I wasn't trying to start any problems. Just
Oh, no.
we're just having a
They've
conversation.
got training that needs to get going on anyway.
Oh, okay, cool. You mind if I get your name and badge number?
Sure, yeah. It's Trooper Katz.
Trooper Katz,
1489,
1489. Thank you, I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
no problem.
You have a great.
Hast du gesehen, der Smirk, was hat? Hier, kijk de Smirk.
It's Trooper Katz.
Trooper Katz,
1489,
149. Thank you, I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
no problem.
You have a great day, okay?
You do the same.
So all the cadets over there were just shining their boots, and this trooper here told them all to go inside just because of a man with a camera.
It's a
Just was asking some question, having some
man
polite
with a
conversation with them.
camera.
That's all. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Doing some training with the car?
What's that?
Is that training with the car?
The recruits are here in training. This is New York State Police Academy.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Are they recruits if they have the yellow vests?
I don't see why you need to know that.
You don't see why I need to know that?
Safety, so they don't get hit by cars.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. Gotcha. You mind if I get your name and badge numbers?
What do you need my name and badge number for? Sergeant Dietrich, 755.
Okay.
Come up front and talk to you. You want to come up front with me?
No, that's all right. I don't need to talk to you. I just wanted to get your name and badge
I
number.
understand why
You don't need to understand.
you need names and badge. You're trying to get a confrontation. No one's getting.
That's you. I feel like
property.
I-
Yes.
I
Play it
feel
after
like
this.
you're trying to start a confrontation. All I asked you was your name and badge
You're the
number.
one that made the.
I just yeah, and I just asked you for your name and badge number. That's all. So how's that confrontational?
Have a nice time.
Okay.
Yep.
Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Super Series 2465.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. It's always the confrontational ones that want to bring up confrontation. That's
Yeah.
the problem. They see a camera, guys, and they automatically are assuming I'm looking for a confrontation. No, I'm looking for a good conversation. You came off confrontational with me. I was asking you simple questions. I know that this is the police academy. I'm asking some questions about the training here. Is it that big of a deal? All right, guys. So we just took our walk around the complex. Let's go inside, get a FOIL request form, and see what they got going on inside, and then we'll get out of here.
Oh.
You can't walk around. You're more than welcome to stay in the lobby. We close in 6 minutes.
Sure.
You can't go past out of the lobby. All right.
All right, yeah, I'm not gonna. It's all,
Public access building.
this is not a publicly accessible area. Any of these hallways?
This lobby is. If you get
Okay.
a question, you can talk to troopers up here for a question.
Okay.
Anything beyond this lobby is not public accessible.
Okay, not a problem. Yeah, you guys are closing in 5 minutes anyway, right?
Closing at 4
Can I get a FOIL request form? Do you guys have those here?
Do you just print out one?
Yeah, I can print one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Memorial over there,
Mastermind. I
not
got it.
publicly accessible.
The lobby is the only thing that's publicly accessible. So anything past that entranceway or that hallway or that door
Just jetzt ugemacht, Jensen nicht public access.
is unaccessible to the public.
Wie, wo ist
They
wen?
have it all online. It's all like
Do you have access to the internet?
Yeah.
Which type of foil are you looking for? Like,
Just-
do you have a specific case you want?
No, it's just a general, for salaries and titles of
that's
the
all on See Through New York. All that stuff.
see through New York.
Yeah, that says all state employees has their salaries and everything.
Okay. Yeah, but
this
it's
is more for like if you had a specific like incident that the state police responded to.
okay.
You could go on here and request for that report and stuff.
Okay.
That's
Gotcha.
and actually now it's an online form. You actually go on, hit all the information in, and it sends it in for you.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Of course.
Hey,
Main lecture hall over here.
hey, you have to search. We're not gonna go into like this
Keine nicht hereingegangen. Aber kiek wie get seine directives.
classrooms and stuff going on.
But who said I was going anywhere?
You're right up to the door.
So?
There's classrooms going on.
I'm not
Free to go
bothering
up here.
anybody.
We close in 3
I'm
minutes.
just taking a look in.
Free to stay in the lobby area up here. We can-
This is. You said that everything here is the lobby, sir.
This is the lobby, but you're walking up to classroom doors and trying to record.
Yeah. If I can see it from public, I can record it,
No,
sir.
this is the public area up here.
Sir,
Ego is getting to his head.
can I get your name?
I already gave it to you, sir.
Oh, outside?
Shield 755.
Oh,
You're more than
I didn't
welcome
recognize
up
you
front.
from outside.
You're more than welcome up
Sir,
front here, but
you
can't wander around the
You
building.
said no one's
You
wandering
cannot.
around the building,
You're right
sir.
next to the door.
Outside, you said I was looking for a confrontation.
Okay,
It looks
come up
like
here.
you are looking
I'm
for the
not giving you
confrontation, sir. I'm just trying to film. That's
All right,
it.
Just come up here.
Okay,
You're more
you
than
said
welcome to
everything
stay
in
up
this
here.
area, sir, is publicly
You're more than
accessible.
welcome to stay up here in the lobby.
Sir, I'm just going to take some pictures,
Classes
okay?
going on.
Please stop trying to be
You're in the public
confrontational.
area.
De-escalate a little
Zest, alle training was gehad, raus in the window, want man introduced Ego.
bit.
Come up here to the public
That's
area.
it.
Nobody's
Bisschen
gonna come.
ego.
This. You said this is all the public area.
This is the public area is up
Okay.
here. It's not
I'm-
at this door.
Sir, I'm not going in the door. That's what you're not
But you can stay over
understanding.
here.
I'm not.
Listen.
Sir, please don't be difficult.
No
with
one's
me.
being difficult with
I
you.
just want to take a
So
look
you can
inside
go over
here.
You're not allowed to come around here and
I'm not-
videotape things inside the classroom.
I can anything I can see from public.
You're
I
not
can
in a
film.
This is a police officer, was sworn the oath to dich to protect, and kiek wie ze kicked
public
us.
area right here.
This is a public
You can go up
area.
to the front desk. and
Terrible.
speak to
You
the
can't
front
just
desk if you have
cut
an
out
issue.
invisible areas of publicly
Sir,
accessible
can you
areas,
please
sir.
Just come up here.
Can I just see
There's
what's in
nothing
here?
going on in there. There's not one person in the room. You're trying to get a confrontation.
No, I'm not. So what's the problem with me filming in there?
Yeah, 2
If
minutes.
nobody's even in there,
2 minutes, the front door is closed.
relax.
Die habst as is a police officer. Du verstehst?
Just wanted to see. You should be proud of your building. When a member of the public, a journalist, comes to look at the building, it's not that big of a deal.
Nobody's giving you a problem.
All right.
Trying to create a problem.
No, you are. All I did was point my camera in a direction, and because you didn't like it, you want to try and stop me.
All right. Anything we can help you with today?
No.
He's still sitting under? Yeah, he's sitting under. It's an older guy. Did you get a new one?
No.
Was it that black SUV?
Yeah, I think it's a black.
Oh, he left.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Somebody had an Uber.
He just took off.
All right, how are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
He has to bring
If you're
donuts
here
to that.
training future officers, future troopers, train, not
Kijk on de officer do. Hege mir, hat er smirken, hij weist.
everybody with the camera is against you. Not everybody in the camera wants to. The minute I came up to you, you said that I'm trying to cause a confrontation. Just because yes, you did. Just because I had a camera in my hand. You're going to set the wrong example here for future troopers.
And asked me what is going on, and I said yes. You were asking if they were doing training, and I said yes, they're here doing training.
Yeah, and you.
So I know exactly what.
And then when I asked for your name and badge number, you said I'm trying to cause a confrontation.
And I gave you my name and badge.
Okay, but that's not. I'm just saying that's not how you should treat. That's not how you should treat the public. We should bridge the gap. We should bridge the gap. Okay, that's great. It didn't seem like it to me earlier. I'm just saying. That's all I'm saying.
Ich habe auch lieb den Weg, wie es halt sein kam. Schreit nicht, macht nicht.
No one wants to. I'm trying to have a conversation, not a confrontation. Okay, just so that way you're here training. I'm assuming you're a training officer, so you should, you're what you do matters for the future of troop.
We are not good. We are good. Who are you?
Okay, what you do matters for the future of the troopers, right?
Oh, wow, verreit sich Sefira Zeiger. Woo, wir können mal rauswerfen. Sefira Zeiger.
I was leaving anyway.
Scheute.
We're locking up here.
All right, fellow patriots, I wanted to highlight this audit for this week's Throwback Thursday to show how law enforcement officers will try and gaslight you while you're peacefully exercising your constitutional rights, rights that they took an oath to uphold. These troopers already had a preconceived perception towards me. Let's be real, all because I had a camera in my hand. I have been unlawfully arrested and my constitutional rights violated several times by officers who wore similar uniforms, yet I didn't have any preconceived perception towards them. I didn't disrespect them, and I didn't assume that they wanted to violate my rights, as the trooper assumed I wanted a confrontation. Keep in mind, this happened at a training academy. They are teaching this way of thinking, to hate cameramen who peacefully exercise their rights. This curriculum isn't limited to New York State Police. It's happening all across of our country. Our rights aren't negotiable. Peacefully exercising them cannot be turned into a confrontation. Please hit the like button and share this video anywhere you can on social media. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I have a brand new audit airing this Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure
we for sure will look out to see the audit. Score for the dislike. Der eine gegeben hat Dislike. Der neue Programm, lass mal wissen, die Sachen. So. Okay. Mastermind Pro hat mir das geschickt, lass mal das so sehen.
Jede Chamor öffnet der Podcast.
Oh, I didn't make it on it. That was funny. That was funny. Wat zijn de andere? Wat zijn de original? No, what was it?
Der Keule kommt zu mir tanzen. Ich suche dir gar wegwacken. Ich ga wegwacken, ich ga bloß hängen mitten in der Saal.
Alright, no, this is the point. Jeder eine macht a podcast. Jeder eine macht a podcast. Ich had der, hold on. Hold on. Deze is nog de beste.
Weißt du was? Einschlepp Weed und die machst morgen ein Podcast.
Einschlepp Weed und machst morgen ein Podcast. Het is toch dezelfde zaak? But Zans is obviously the best. The kosher one. You know? Oh, nice, Yankee. Congratulations. Congratulations. Alright, Gevre. Ze is 10:45. Ze zahlt sich zu gesegnen. Ze tat zu sagen goodbye. Ze kein Monat easy no matter how many times I try, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Ich will gerne mal schauen, für einen, was du gerne eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Viele der sind auf eine kleine, auf ein paar Minuten, meine ich zu sagen. Und der ist auf eine andere Tab. Ich mache mir gut gerne Tab, aber ich meine dir. Thank you so much. Ich will gerne mal schauen für alle Likers, Shares, Commenters, Subscribers. Especially members. This is how the channel keeps going. I appreciate it. And a special thanks for Penny G for checking our super chat. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. I really do appreciate it. Housekeeping. Also ich will schicken etwas für the Unboxing Monday. Ich habe gepinnt the address on top, 76 Brookside. So, als ich kommt, die Person hat mir das einfach on Monday, 10 o'clock, 10:05-ish. Hat Nacht, and ich do can live. So for the regular subscribers, have a wonderful Shabbos and an awesome weekend, whatever floats the boat. For the members, we'll have tomorrow morning Nana Zeiger in the free. We'll have the Arambringen, the Shabbos Arambringen, the weekend vibe. Shia. Hello and welcome. So, morgen at Zanfa, members only. Friday is members only. So we'll see all members there. So for the regular subscribers, see you all next week. And for the members, we shall see you tomorrow morning. Have a lovely and awesome day. Thank you for no. Thank you for being here. We appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.